Hi, my name is Khan and welcome to the new chapter. In this chapter, we are going to learn that how we can trade internal structure in a bullish market. As we have done in a previous chapter that how we can trade in a bearish market internal structure and measure structure as well as, right? So in this chapter, we are going to learn that how we can trade in an internal structure in a bullish market and what criteria you should follow before the buy and sell everything. So this is an important chapter for you, and so let's start now. First of all, you have to understand, as we have done in a previous chapter, you have to mark your actual structure. You can say higher time frame structure first of all, and then you can trade in a lower time frame structure, right? So this was our previous bearish trend, which one is here I already mentioned. And now what happened here? Market turn bearish to bullish. So you have to mark your previous structure as well as to marking that what's going on in a current price action. Okay, so look at this one. As we have done here, that market momentum was bearish, then we have started from top of the move, and now market momentum shift bearish to bullish, then you have to start bottom of the structure. So before marking the present structure, you have to mark our bottom of the structure, previous swing structure. So at this price, what happened here? Look at this one. This was our previous swing lower low is here, and this was our lower high at this point. So what happened here after this one? When market create a previous lower lows and lower high and break the structure, and again in the next attempt, if market close above it, like a lower high above it, then your structure will be changed. But remember one thing, this is a higher time frame. In a higher time frame, market must be candle closer. If not candle closer, so this is a just liquidity sweep. If liquidity sweep, then what you should do? You have to sell based on single candle order block, right, as per our trading plan. So this is our previous structure as well as, and this is our inducement at this point, which is market taken out, and after taken out the inducement, our lower low is confirmed here. Again market pushed downside and broke this low and candle close below it. So if market close below the previous swing low, then this one is a called break of structure because market momentum is still bullish. And now what happened here? After this one, market broke this high and just sweep, and next time candle close over it. Let me show you through bar play, then you can understand very easily quickly also to marking the structure. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to a bar play. In this case, this is a bearish market. As you know, when market momentum is a bearish and break the previous low is here, then you have to immediately switch in a lower time frame to check where is market going, create a bullish structure in a lower time frame, then you can take entry as we have done in a part 18. So before a switch in a lower time frame, you have to identify where is our inducement in a higher time frame. First of all, in this case, you can see where is our inducement. Look at this one, because market momentum is still bearish, there is no bullish indication. Okay, so this is our inducement in a higher time frame, and market break this low, and now you have to switch in a lower time frame to check where is market structure has been changed. Okay, so if market structure has been changed, then you can take entry for the short term buy for internal structure, right? So let's see what happening here. In this case, you have to identify what happening here. This structure is a broken. When a structure is a broken and create a pullback, again push downside, market taken out this one, and this one is a called fake chalk, as you know. Okay, so when market broke the first high, this one, then you don't need to buy here at this point, because this is a SMT, smart money type, and you don't need to buy here. You have to buy in a next attempt. This one is the first attempt, and you have to wait for it to next attempt. In this case, where is our pullback? Look at this one, right? Because this is the first pullback is here. If market broke this one and create inducement, and then you can buy, which is absolutely fine. Okay, if market not taken out this one and create new pullback like this, then you have to wait for it to break this one, create inducement, and then buy here, right? So this is a possible scenario here for the buy to the upside, and this is our higher time frame structure is a bearish. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one. In a first attempt, just broke this high. In this case, market broke this high. It means this one is a valid. It means first high is broken, and this become our valid chalk at this point. Now you have to wait for it to create inducement, and then you can take entry. So in this case, where is our inducement? This one, this is a minor inducement is here. Let me show you. This one is our pullback. This is the first pullback is here at the current price action. If market taken out this one and mitigate your unmitigated order block, this one, then you can take entry for the buy. Maybe market create another one, then you have to prepare on a both side of probability. Okay, so let's see what happening here. In this case, you can see this one become our new inducement because this one is our valid pullback. Market push downside, taken out this one, and where is our pullback? In this case, you can see this is the first pullback and this one is our extreme. Always when price tap on decisional or extreme, in this case we have a multiple PY, first and decisional and extreme. So always you have to buy when market create single candle order block for the additional confirmation, as I mentioned in a previous chapter as well as. Now let's see what happening here. Okay, market did not create any single candle order block here. If market create here any single candle order block, then definitely you can take entry for the buy. Okay, so this is our next area when we can take entry for the buy. If you are thinking you are looking for the buy based on FVG, based on your order flow, so at this point you can see this one is our order flow, entire order flow, which is already mitigate here. Okay, so only two option you have. First one is FVC and next one is your unmitigated order block. So right now we can see one more zone here. This is FVC. Okay, so if you wish to buy based on FVC and don't wanna miss entry. Okay, sometime what happen, price not mitigate your unmitigated order block, price just fill your imbalance and then market push upside and downside. So you can also buy here, but you have to put the stop loss just below it. If you are thinking to buy here at this point, then you have to put the stop loss just below it. Okay, so this is a valid entry for buy. And where is our target? Our target is here. This is our higher time frame inducement, right? This is the first entry. But if you wanna reduce your risk reward, reduce your stop loss and maximize your reward, then you can buy here on this unmitigated order block and put the target here, and this is our entry. Now you can see risk reward is increase here at this point. Okay, so these possible two entry here for the buy. So this is the first entry and second entry. So let's see, you can buy here. And one more thing, you have to take single candle order block confirmation, right? If you are directly buying here, so this is a little bit risky. Okay, so you have to wait for it to create single candle order block for additional confirmation. So let's see what happening here. Okay, market tap on your extreme unmitigated order block here. It means both entry is executed if you are willing to buy directly here. But I will recommend you to buy based on single candle order block, at least like this. Market tap here, create a single candle order block, and in this case this become our PY right here. Okay, if you are willing to buy here, then you have to put the stop loss similar here. And if you want to more reduce, then you can put just below it. But this is not a safer side. So you have to play in a safer side. This is your valid entry for the buy. Okay, execute your entry. And now let's see what happening here. Look at this one. What happened here? If you put the stop loss just below it, this means your stop loss has been hit, and now market went up and down as per your plan. But you have to protect your stop loss and put your stop loss on a safer side. So you have to put the stop loss just below it, and this is not a good idea to put the stop loss just below it, below order block, above order block, right? So you have to put your stop loss on safer side. So let's see what happened. And if you wish to enter more position, sometime what happen if you miss this trade. Okay, for example, if you miss this trade here, this is the first single candle order block and market push downside, and then market get another single candle order block at this point. So you can also enter here for the buy. These are possible zone when you can buy. I'm just showing you, you don't need to buy immediately buy on two places, because first trade not close on a break even, not your stop loss on a break even, then you don't need to add multiple position until first trade on a break even point. Okay, so this is your next possible scenario here. Okay, so let's see what happened next here. After this one, this is a not mitigate here. If mitigate, so this is a valid entry for buy, right? So let me delete this one, and this is your execute position here at this point. Now let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, market trying to go higher, and again you have to wait for it to break this high, and after broken this high, and this become our internal boss, taken out the inducement, mitigate something here, and you can buy here. And always, if you wanna trade here based on single candle order block, simply you can buy based on single candle order block based on micro structure till this one. Okay, so in this case what happened here, market tap here, like for example at this point you can see this is a first pullback. If market taken out, and you can also buy here till this one. So these are scaling opportunity for the buy. So first of all, look at this one, what happening here. Okay, so right now market tap on your extreme point, which one is here, right? So this is the first one, and just below it this one. So basically we have a two multiple PY. You have to always buy based on single candle order block. First one is here, there is no single candle order block create here. Market taken out the inducement and push downside, and there is no single candle order block. In a next attempt, market tap here, create single candle order block at this point, this one. So at this point, market create single candle order block. For additional confirmation, you can buy here and put the stop loss just below it. And where is target? Target or similar the previous higher time frame inducement as our final target at this point. So let's see what happened next after this one, and then we can understand what's going on here. Okay, market finally broke this one. When market broke the first this high, and this one is just liquidity, next time close of it, you can also buy here just below it, right? So if price came back push downside just below it, you can buy here. Where is our unmitigated order block? This one. This is our unmitigated order block. If market tap here, then you can buy here. Also, you need a single candle order block confirmation for additional confirmation before the buy and sell. Okay, if not create, then you have to leave them. Okay, so market continue pushing upside, and at this point same thing happen here. Market break this one. This is another boss and taken out this inducement, just liquidity sweep and create single candle order block at this point. You can buy here at this point. This one is also next possible entry here for the buy is here, right? And put the stop loss just below it, and target are similar this high. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one. All right, and market continue going higher high. Again same thing happen here. Market push downside and taken out this inducement and create a single candle order block, and again you can buy here at this point. This is our next possible entry here for the buy, and this is our entry, and this is our stop loss, and this is our final target at this point. Now let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, so market finally meet our target, and when market hit our target point, then your perspective will be changed. You have to wait for it to taken out the inducement and create any lower time frame confirmation or tap on your PUI, then you can sell, right? So basically when price tap on a PUI, let me show you through drawing, then you can understand. For example, what happening here, this is your break of structure and you are willing to buy here at this point, right? This is an internal structure buy here. So if price taken out your higher time frame structure, okay, then what you should do, you have to wait for it to taken out the inducement. If inducement sweep, then you can sell based on single candle order block. Either if market tap your unmitigated order block at this point, then you can wait for it to mitigate this one and then you can sell. These two possible scenario, and next possible scenario is here, if market not create anything here, just sweep this high, then you can sell also here based on single candle order block like this and push downside. So these move happen something like this, and you have to wait for it to taken out the inducement, taken out the high, then you can sell based on single candle order block. Right, now you have to switch here in a higher time frame again to see exactly what happening here, and these are possible buy entry here in a lower time frame structure. You can see after taking out the inducement there is no unmitigated POI, right? So in this case basically you have to wait for it to sweep the inducement or sweep the main high, then you can take entry. So in this case, where is our previous high? This one, right? So previous structure is a sweep here. Look at this candlestick here. If you wanna take an aggressive entry, then you can also sell here because momentum is a bearish, everything is a bearish. You can also take entry on this unmitigated shadow, which one is here, refine into lower time frame, like this is a 1 hour, and you can switch in a 5-minute time frame, refine this shadow, and you can take entry. And this is a main trend, pro trend entry here, right? This is a not a counter trend, this is a pro trend because everything is a bearish. There is a no additional confirmation for the buy in a bullish, in a pro trend. Okay, everything is a bearish still. Okay, so this is an aggressive entry here for the sell. Okay, but if you want a more little bit more confirmation, then you can wait for it to candle closer here and third candle mitigation and then sell, right? And this is your final target because this is a bearish trend. Okay, so let's see what happened next here. If you wanna take entry here at this point, then let's see what happening here, and there is any unmitigated PY or not. Okay, so look at this one. First of all, wait for it. Okay, at this point you can see here, if market sweep the liquidity in a higher time frame and this is an aggressive entry, then you can sell here like on this order block or in this unmitigated shadow here. You can immediately sell here, put the stop loss just above it. But this is a very aggressive entry. But main thing is here, if you wanna sell here immediately, then you will get a very high risk reward. But problem is here, if market broke this high also and close of it, then this become our chalk, and your setup will be failed. So I will suggest you, if you are not able to take a trade these type of trade, then you have to wait for it to candle closer a proper like single candle order block mitigation, then you can take trade here. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, next candle close below it and create single candle order block at this point. So this is our single candle order block, and third candle mitigate this one, and then you can trade here. Okay, but before to mitigate third candle, you have to refine into 5-minute unmitigated order block. Okay, then you can take a trade here. Also you can also take a trade based on chalk and flip all. Why? Because higher time frame main high is a sweep here. Okay, now let's see what happened here in a 5-minute time frame. So at the current price action, you can see here this structure taken out the liquidity, and now you have to identify where is our 5-minute unmitigated order block. Look at this one. In this case, there is any unmitigated order block or not? Look at this one. This is our unmitigated order block, right? No sir, this is a not unmitigated order block. This is our just inside move of this candlestick. This candlestick high and low both are protected and broken by this one. And then what happened here? After this one, you can see everything is creating upside in ascending wave like this, right? And finally what happened? This candle taken out the all liquidity here. It means this is our actual candle. This is our actual candle which taken out the liquidity, and this is our highest candle, this high and low. This one is our entire order block. So we can't take an entire candle as this as an order block. This is a very larger range. So you have to refine like this one. There is any unmitigated order block, order flow or anything? Yes sir. This one is our unmitigated order flow. This one. So we can use entire order flow as our entry plan. Okay. If you are not sure that you have to sell here or not, then you can take additional confirmation based on lower time frame single candle order block as well as, right? Maybe market type here, create any single candle order block, then you can take entry, right? But this is our valid setup here for the sell, and this is a pro trend here. Okay, and where is target? Our target main here, just below it. This is our final target because you are selling in a pro trend. Okay, you can also add multiple position when market create any single candle order block at this point. Okay, like this price type here, create this single candle order block at this point like this. Okay, third candle mitigate here, you can also sell here and put the stop loss just below it, above it, and this is our final target. So these two possible entries here for the sell in a bearish market in a pro trend. Okay, now let's see what happened next here. Market continue pushing downside, and in this case you can see what we can do. In this case you have to switch again in a 1 hour time frame to check where is our recent pullback. I mentioned so many times in a trading plan also, if market taken out the main high or taken out the main low and then market push upside and downside, you have to sell till the first pullback as a target, right? So in this case, where is our pullback? Look at this one. So how many pullbacks are valid here? This one looks valid. This one is our first pullback is here. Only one pullback is here. It means you have to book your profit here and take some partial. Either you can close entire position. It's up to you that what do you want here. But I will suggest you have to take some small partial here, and rest amount you have to put on your stop loss on a break even point. It means if market, for example, if market went up, right, then you book some profit, then you can take those profit in the next trade as a risk. Okay, because it's all about probability. There is no guarantee that market continue go higher and market can be pushed more downside. Nobody don't know, right? So you have to play on a probability. Where is our probability? Where is the possible entries for the buy and sell? Okay, so this is our possible scenario here, right? So let's see what happened next after this one, and then we can understand how is market going on. Okay, so now you can see in the next attempt what happened here. Market broke this one. So when market broke this one, it means this become our valid chalk. So when market break the previous high above it, this one, so let's see, let me mark this one, this become our chalk, and this is just liquidity sweep. In next attempt candle close over it. So this high transfer here to here, something like this, okay, until body closer at this point. So this point is a body closer here. Let me show you this point here. This is an interesting point at this point. Okay, so when market are chalk here, it means structure is a bullish. So if you are willing to sell here for the short term after break the structure change of character in a higher time frame, simply you have to switch in a 5-minute time frame, as we have done in a bearish market also. So you have to wait for it. So how you can deal in this situation? Simple thing. First low is a broken. After this higher time frame bounce, you don't need to sell here, right? Because this is a trap. This is a fake chalk. Again market go higher in next attempt broke this one, then you have to enter here. After taking out the inducement, here you can sell at this point. This is a simple, just reverse of the bearish market. Okay, similar thing you have to apply as we have done in a bearish market, and same thing will be apply in a bullish market also. So this is the first pullback. If broken this one, then you don't need to sell here. This is a trap, right? So first of all, look at this one. Okay, so finally what happened here? Market up broke this first pullback here. When first pullback is broken, you don't need to trade anything here. Okay, you have to wait for it to broke the next pullback, this one. Okay, because right now this is one is our only one pullback is at the current price action. Maybe market create another pullback here like this, then you have to wait for it. So you have to always wait for a recent pullback to broken, and then you have to take a trade, right? So let's see what happened next here. Broken this one. So after broken this one, you have to identify where is our unmitigated order block. Okay, so in this case, look at this picture. This one is our inducement, but just above it you have to identify there is any unmitigated order block or anything or not. Okay, so this candle is our highest candle is here, right? It means there is no unmitigated order block, everything is mitigated by this move. So simply in this case, what is possible? In this case, two scenarios are possible. First one is here, market can be go higher to taken out this one, just liquidity sweep, and then you can enter here. Simple, right? And the next possible scenario is here, if market don't want to give you opportunity, then what happen here? Market continue go higher and create new thing here like structure broken and create inducement, and then you have to sell here, right? So these two possible scenarios have here. Okay, so let's see what happened next here, because there is a no unlimited order block. If you are thinking this is an unlimited order block, no sir, this is a not unlimited order block. This is a just inside move, because this is a actual candle here which taken out the which create a new high. So this is the highest candle, and this move is an inside move of this candlestick, right? So let's see what happened next here. Market taken out the liquidity, and after taking out the liquidity, you have to always sell based on single candle order block like this. Let me show you. This point is our taken out the liquidity, and this is a bearish candle, and next candle close below it, and you can sell here on next candle open and put the stop loss just high above it, not here. This is a little bit risky as I told you. And the final target your higher time frame like 1 hour inducement as a target, right? So this is a target and this is an entry. Now let's see what happened next here. Okay, market push downside. And one more thing I want to mention here, if you are willing to take trade here like multiple position add here, if you miss first trade, for example this one you miss trade, and then you starting charting, then you can add one more position here, right? This is also single candle order block until broken this low, right? You can add multiple position until broken this low. If market broken this low, then you need additional inducement before the enter, right? So this one is our next possible entry here for the sell at this point, and this is a entry, and this one is our target, and this is our final target. Now let's see what happened next here. Okay, market push downside again. You can see this candle taken out the liquidity. It means we can also sell here on the next one is here, right? And put the stop loss just high above it or just above it for the safer side. So it's up to you that where you would like to sell and where you would like to put the stop loss, right? It's all about probability, it's all about risk reward, but I will suggest you play in a safer side. If you gain small RR but you win most of the time, then which is very fine. Okay, so this one is also fine. 5R is not bad. The third candle is mitigated by this one, and this one is a next entry is mitigated here. And again let's see, broken this low. Now you can't add no single candle order block entries here, right? These are possible entries here. You can zoom this part, then you can understand. First entry was executed at this point. Let me highlight this point, this one. First entry and next entry, these three entries are possible here for the sell, right? And we are trading in a counter trend, and this is our final target at this point. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one. And if you want to sell here, then simply you have to sell after taking out the inducement. You have to identify them. So right now at the current price action, where is our possible entries here? Look at this one. First of all, you have to identify inducement. This one is our inducement. So this is inducement. After taking out this one, you have to sell. Where you can sell? You can sell here, right? This is the first unmitigated order block here. You can sell here. Where is our next? This one is taken out the liquidity here, right? And this one is also a possible, right? So basically we have a multiple PY here. When you have a multiple PY, so as we know, market most of the time follow your decisional and extreme. So we have a 4 PY is here based on candlestick formation, first, second, third and fourth, right? So where you should play on a first candlestick. If market get here any single candle order block, then you can take entry, right? And where is our next one? This one, right? What happen if market mitigate your decision, right, decisional and extreme PY between of the move? Then you have to follow the same principle like chalk, flip or any additional confirmation. Like we are in already in a lower time frame, then you can use 5-minute time frame for the confirmation, okay? Because we can't go in a lower time frame, we are already in a lower time frame. If same thing happen in a higher time frame, for example this is your higher time frame structure, so you have to basically wait for it first PY and extreme PY. But what happen here, market create here and create structure like create any lower time frame confirmation, then you can take trade, but those are depend on situation, okay? Market must be create a lower time frame additional confirmation before the enter, otherwise you have to focus on decisional and extreme. These are high probability, okay? So let's see what happened next after this one. There is no confirmation, so this is not a valid here, okay? And this one is valid or not, ask yourself this one, right? These are SMT, right? But you have to wait for it single candle order block. If market get here single candle order block, you should sell or not. You can actually, but low probability, like you can say decisional, you can take a 50% chances, right? Because just above it 2 PY is here, okay? So that's why you need additional confirmation as a single candle order block. But remember, those are decisional, right? Not high probability. High probability on extreme, this one, okay? So let's see what happened next here after this one, okay? All right, market continue going higher high. So let's see what happened next after this one. All right, market trying to go higher and market tap here, right? So if market tap here and create single candle order block, so what do you do in this case? In this case you have to sell or not, ask yourself, okay? If you are willing to sell here, put the stop loss just over it and target this one, right? So this can be anti, right? But problem is here, this is our you can say decisional PY, like decisional anti 50% of probability, because higher time frame PY is here, because you have a multiple PY. That's why this is a extreme, this is not extreme, right? So this can be also anti, but this one is our more high probability, this is a low probability, you can say, right? So let's see what happened next here. Mitigate this anti, market push downside. All right, and what happened here? Okay, market push downside again, break this low, right? When market break this low, then you don't need to do anything. Market just liquidity sweep. When market liquidity sweep, then market start a reaction to the upside. If market sweep the high, then market push downside. This is an indication. When market sweep the high and low inducement, then market gives you reversal or continuation, okay? So in this case, same thing happen here. This one is a broken, or then what happen here? Taken out the inducement, and you have to sell on this unmitigated order block. Where is our this one? This is your unmitigated order block here. You can sell here at this point, right? And you have to wait for it to create a single candle order block and put the stop loss just over it, and this is a single candle order block. If market mitigate this one, then you can take decision here for the sell, otherwise you don't need to do anything, right? And this is your final target at this point, okay? So let's see what happened next here. There is no mitigation here, okay? So you can leave them, this one, right? Now again switch here in a 1 hour time frame. In a 1 hour time frame, you have to check here, if market mitigate this order block, then what happened? You have to take a partial here at this point. Why? Let me show you exactly what is the reason. For example, sometime what happened here, I'm going to show you, like market momentum is a bullish, market taken out the liquidity at this point, then what happened here? You are willing to buy here after taking out the inducement. At this point you are buying here, and then what happened here? Market again push downside and mitigate this one, and then continue go higher like this one. So technically this become our higher high, and this become our higher low, and this become our single leg move, right? Because just below it there is no unmitigated, everything is mitigated, only one order block is here. That's why market mitigate this one and candle close of it to confirm a new higher high, to taken out the inducement and confirm new higher high at this point. That's why sometime market moves something like this. So you have to keep in your mind that this can be also possible here, right? So this is our unmitigated order block at this point here. So when price tap here, you have to book your profit, and rest amount you can put on break even, because we are selling in a contract trend, right? We are already in a contract trend. This is not happening in a like bullish market. That's why I'm saying, Okay, so press tab here at this point, and then what happen here, you have to book your profit maximum time, because you are selling in a counter trend, not a pro trend. If you are buying or selling in a pro trend, then you can hold for the maximum, right? So this chapter only based on counter trend. Same thing happen here. Let me show you exactly this one. At this point again, what happen here, market or break this high at this point. So when market break the high and low, then you have to sell based on single candle order block confirmation. Let me point. Okay, so let's see what happened next here. Create this one, a single candle order block at this point. Now you have to switch here in a 5-minute time frame to check, because we are already in a 1 hour time frame. So you have to switch in a 5-minute time frame to check there is any unlimited order block or not. Look at this one. We have a 2 PY, this one and this one, right? So basically, if you would like to sell here directly at this point and tap here, then you can sell. Also, you can take additional confirmation like 5-minute single candle order block on first PY and second PY, right? Then you can sell here. Okay, right? So let's see what happened next here after this one. Okay, market type here, mitigate this one at this one, right? And put the stop loss just above it for the safer side. But if you wanna take entry here based on single candle order block, so this is an entry. Let me zoom this part. Okay, because this entry based on single candle order block, and this is a counter trend sell, right? But this entry based on single candle order block, not structure. In a previous entry was structure based, that's why. Okay, so this is our single candle order block entry here. At this point you have to put the stop loss. Where is the stop loss? Over it, right? And where is our target our 1 hour inducement, right? So let's see. First of all, you have to check here what's happening here. Okay, all right. So at this point, what happened here? In this case, you can see market taken out this inducement, push downside. Again, same thing happen here, and this process here is like this. This is the lower lows and lower high, break this structure, and you have to wait for it to take out the inducement. Where is inducement? This one, right? And this is your unlimited order block also. Then you can sell here. Okay, so let me mark this one, and also this order block taken out the liquidity. It means this is more high probability order block compared to the other. So this one is your unlimited order block at this point, and you can sell here like this one. Okay, and you can sell here, put the stop loss just above it for the high above it for the safer side. But you have to take additional confirmation like single candle order block in a lower time frame also, right? So let's see what happened next here. Press tab here, push downside, and if you wanna take aggressive entry like something like this, you can take here like next candle open here, close of it, which is an indication that market give a reaction on your extreme. This is happening only on extreme point, right? Okay, let's see what happened next after this one. And again, market broke this low, this one, right? And taken out the inducement. Where is our unlimited order block? This one, right? You can again sell here. Just of it is not order block. This is a here, but you need additional confirmation like single candle order block. Right now there is no single candle order block. Okay, all right. Let's see. Market just sweep this one. Okay, before take entry, I need to check 1 hour if there is inducement taken out or not. Okay, taken entry. Yes sir, inducement taken out, so you don't need to trade here like this. Okay, so you have to close your position here. Either you have to take a partial at this point and rest amount put on break even, because we are already in a bullish market and we are just selling in a counter trend like this and like this. We have to sell at least on a first pullback. Okay, and then what happen here? Press mitigate your unlimited order block and give reaction, and this is a counter trend. This is a bullish market, right? And you have to check here it's a bullish scenario because everything is a bullish here. And then what happened here? Market create a chalk here, taken out the inducement, and then we can buy. Okay, so let's see this one, inducement taken out, create here single candle order block, and you can buy at this point. This one pullback is taken out because chalk, after chalk you have to wait for it to taken out the pullback. This liquidity grab here, and after grab the liquidity you can take entry here, this candle covered by the next one. And what happened here? This become our single candle order block. At this point you can buy, put the stop loss just below it for the safer side. And where is target? And this is our pro entry, like previous high as a target at least. Right now I'm going to again switch here in a 1 hour time frame to check what happening here. Next candle close away, it means this point become our violet chop boss. Okay, because this has become our higher high and higher low right here. This is a higher high, and this point become our like. Okay, this chalk is a confirm here. There is no inducement taken out, so transfer here to here, inducement taken out, confirm higher high, create new higher low, break the structure, and again if you wanna take entry in a lower time frame in an internal structure, then similar thing you need to apply 5-minute structure chalk, then you can take entry. Because candle goes over, if sweep, then you can take single candle order block, right? So let's see what happened next here. Market continue going higher high. Now you need to check here 5-minute time frame, because everything is a bullish and you can continue buy here after taking out the inducement, like break of structure happen here. First structure is a broken like this one. In this case, first inducement taken out, you can buy, right? Because first inducement. But similar thing, if market create new inducement on a next attempt, then you don't need to buy, because you have to think, you have to prepare that this can be a trap, right? So this is our next possible entry. This is a safer entry for buy. Market get here and you can buy here at this point and put the stop loss just below it, because market close above it. Just sweep this inducement at this point. Okay, so you can buy here and target, and then next one is here. After this one, you have to think, you have to prepare that what happening here in this case. In this case, again, if market break the first pullback, then you have to sell. So where is entry? In this case, look at this one. This one is our first pullback happen here, broke this one, and you have to sell after taking out the inducement. In this case, where is inducement? In this leg, there is no inducement taken out. At this point, market taken out the inducement, this one, right? So inducement basically taken out, and after taking out the inducement, we can sell, right? Taken out the inducement, there is any unmitigated order block or not? Yes, this, right? So this is an unmitigated order block here, but market not mitigate this one. Again, market break this low, and our inducement also will be transferred here to here at this point, and entry are still valid for the sell. But we need additional confirmation as a single candle order block for sell at this point. Price type here give a reaction, but there is a no confirmation for the sell. Okay, you have to wait for it. Okay, there is no confirmation at this point, then you don't need to sell at this point. Why? Because market not create any single candle order block. This candle high and low both are protected. This is an inside move, right? So you don't need to sell here. But this was if market create here, then this is a valid setup for the sell. Okay, now let's see what happened next after this one. And this one is our next unmitigated shadow here, which is market tap here. Okay, and market create here any single candle order block, then we can buy, then we can sell here. Okay, so let's see. And one more thing is here, if market not create here any single candle order block, because it's all about probability, as you know, then what you should do, break this high and break this one and taken out the inducement, and then you can sell here, right? So you have to do in this case like this one. Okay, perfect. This one is taken out this one high, this is one. At this point, there is no single candle order block create here. First of all, mark this previous high is taken out. It means this high and this structure is not important for us, right? You have to shift at this point. You have to check here, there is any unmitigated there is any recent pullback is here, right? It means this is our chalk. Okay, because fake chalk already done, and this time not create any opportunity here, then you have to prepare on a next time. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one. All right, market continue going higher high. Okay, finally market broke this one. It means this become our chalk. But where you should sell? You have to sell after taking out the inducement. Right now there is an inducement or not? No sir. Right now there is no inducement. So in this case you can sell whether market taken out this one and sweep this one and create single candle order block, then you can take. Otherwise market must be create here and then take entry and then you can sell. Okay, so let's see what happened next after this one. Okay, all right, market push downside. So now you have to wait for it to taken out the inducement. Basically you can see this is a first pullback here, because this is a small pullback here, this is a PY, and next one is here. So basically we have a 2 PY. First one is here and third one on extreme, this one, right? So basically we have a 2 PY at this point, right? So let's see what happened next after this one. Price type here, right? And not create any single candle order block, right? So we can't take trade here for the sell, right? And now price type on your extreme and give reaction and push downside. Okay, and push downside you can take entry here for the sell, okay, based on single candle order block also. And also if you want to take directly entry, then you can take, but those are little bit risky. Look at this one. If you take entry here directly, then this time your stop loss hit, right? This time is work, this time it's not work, because it's all probability. You have to play on high probability zone, right? Price tap here and create single candle order block, then you can trade. So where is our single candle order block? This one, because proper closing here and everything is perfect as per our plan. You can sell here, put the stop loss just above it. And where is our target? Our target, the H1 higher time frame inducement as our at least target, right? So you have to check them, okay? I will show you later, but first of all you have to focus on 5-minute structure as well as. Now let's see what happened next after this one, okay? Price mitigate this one, right? And your stop loss above it, okay, in this case. And also if you wanna above it, like for safer side. But as per my view, if your recent high and low is a very close your order flow, order block, single candle order block, then you have to put above it, right? But if this swing high is a far away, above below it, if this swing high is far away, this single candle order block, then you have to put the stop loss just above it. So it's up to you that which type of order block, which type of stop loss you are putting. But in this case will be more better to put the stop loss just above it to just above it, right? Because there is no big difference, okay? But this high is a swing very larger, right? Then you have to put the stop loss just wait for the safer side. Now let's see what happened next after this one, okay? Another single candle order block create here, market close below it, and you can take another possible entry here for this sell, because just above it everything is mitigated here, so you can take them. And also put the stop loss just above it and target H1 higher time frame inducement as our at least target, right? And the final target after taking out the inducement, the order block, right? Because we are in a bullish market, okay? So right now what happened here, market broke this low, and after broken this low you have to focus. After taking out the inducement, definitely you can sell here, inducement just of it. And where is our entry? In this case this is unmitigated shadow here. Look at this one. If market taken out this one, you can sell here because this high is our inducement, okay? So let's see, right? Price tap here, and we always need single candle order block as a confirmation. Price tap here, sweep this one, push downside, and then what happened here? This become our single candle order block. If you are thinking this is a valid or not, because this supply is a sweep, okay? This is a valid, as I mentioned in a trading plan also. If demand or supply inducement measure high low is a sweep, then you can also take entry, right? Because still structure are showing, that means this one is taken out the liquidity, right? Main thing is taken out the liquidity grab. We need additional confirmation. Price tap here, create single candle order block, we can take entry here and put the stop loss just over it and target the same H1 higher time frame inducement, right? And at this time what happened here, if you are willing to sell here, then you can see this stop loss has been hit very rarely, right? But this is a valid area for the sell and valid zone for the put the stop loss just over it, okay? Now let's see what happened next here. This low is a broken, then you can take another entry. Also this high is a sweep here, it means liquidity only grab here, not structure change. So this structure is a change here, and now we can sell here, right? So let's see what happened next after this one, okay? Main lows are broken, now you can sell after taking out the inducement. All right, market taken out this inducement here, okay? Market taken out this inducement, and now you can sell above it, like based on single candle order block. But right now there is no single candle order block create here, market just liquidity grab here. So I don't want to enter here at this point, right? Sorry, here market are taken out the inducement and now mitigate your unmitigated order block at this point here, right? And then what happened here, market create single candle order block here, right? And then third candle mitigate here, you can take entry at this point, right? And put the stop loss just over it and target a similar H1 higher time frame inducement, our target. Now let me check here in a 1 hour time frame to see exactly what happening at the point. So as per the current price action, where is our target, at least target here, as you know, because the first pullback, and where is our maximum target here, because this is a first pullback, like first order block when market tap here and market can be go higher, right? So this is our like target zone, this one, right? And you can refine into 5 minutes to exact point to take maximum profit. In this case you have to check here if there is any unmitigated order block or not. So this one is our final target is here, and the next one is here. So you can close on any unmetered order block. I will suggest you close on first one, this one, right? Because market can be turned. I'm just now, let's see what happened next after this one. All right, market hit our final target in a both target here, right? And then what happened? Market breached this one. It means market are looking for the sell, because both those scenario are different. Why this market is a sell? Because higher time frame structure is a change here. Okay, and now market structure is looking for the sell, bullish to bearish again. That's why this thing happen here. But you have to put your stop loss, your target on same point, like this one. As per our plan, after taking out the inducement, you have to cut your profit, okay, and rest amount put your stop loss on break even. You have to follow same principle on everywhere, right? So this is a process that how you can trade in a both side, like in a bullish market, in a bearish market, in a counter trend, in a pro trend, everywhere, in a bullish market and bearish market, everywhere. Look at this one, how you can catch. You have to follow same principle, same rule everywhere. Okay, so I hope you will learn a lot of things. If you are unable to understand any point, you can rewatch again and again this chapter number 18 and 19. Both are very high probability to trade a counter trend. So in this chapter, enough for the day, and I hope you cover all things one by one. You can backtest and trade on your chart. Most of the things already cover in each topic. It's a cover one by one. So if there is any important topic for you, then definitely I will make a next chapter. Otherwise, you have to stick on this plan, on this setup. Then definitely this will help you a lot, and this will help you to become a profitable trader. And thank you so much everyone to attend this entire session. I will see you in the next one. Happy trading.